Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, going to show you here about help you through this video so that is really about to be satisfied with the progress it can actually to be done on what is going on and what we're gonna start to understand about unlock. Okay, so unlock all in Figma. So really what you're gonna do is about start to go understand on this is gonna be about to be satisfied on what it should be really important to do to unlock is about to go and click here on a certain square, for example. Now as you can see, you can actually toggle lock and unlocking. If you wanted to do some actions to do the way that you would like to do in the action, you can actually click here on the search and now type unlock. You can actually start to unlock anything that you want or lock in the same way that's object done. So that's all about to be here on the way that we can actually have progress. That is still to be about what is going on about to do this.